Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video we will talk about iOS 16 Beta 4. So finally, after waiting more than 2 weeks, Apple released next or a fourth beta of iOS 16. So in this video we will talk what are the new features or tweaks in this update. So first of all, Apple released iOS 16 Beta 4 along with iPadOS 16 Beta 4 with macOS 13 Beta 4 and tvOS 16 Beta 4, right? And talking about the update size, it was around 1.63 GB on my iPhone 12. And now we'll talk about the build number. For this iOS 16 Beta 4, the build number is, as you can see on screen, 20A5328H. This is the new build number for this beta update. So now that was the overview about this beta, and now let's check out the features here. So here, first of all, I'll be talking about a lock screen. So now if you go to your lock screen and you enter into your customization mode, or if you click on customize, so now at a widget tab you will see a text there and a plus sign, that is add widgets. Earlier it was not there, so now you will find a text in the tab saying add widgets. That's a new one. Okay, it's a new addition in this update. And now after the lock screen, we'll talk about a wallpaper. So basically, if you go to settings and scroll down until you find wallpaper option, and in wallpaper, if you choose to customize your home screen wallpaper, okay, if you check here, you will see one new option there, that is blur. So you can actually blur the wallpaper from your home screen directly from this tab. Earlier it was available inbuilt in origin only, there you can tap to blur, but here now it has been given separately, okay, at a corner. So from here you can choose to blur or not to blur at a single tab, right? That's it about this wallpaper. And now talking about the next feature, that is about your notification. So in settings, open notification, and here you will see a display as. So overview about the notification, how they will look. So there are count, stack, list, okay. So now it will show you how it will look once you choose them. So from the look you can choose which notification type you want to put on your iPhone. That was that. And now in the settings only, the next feature, that is regarding your accessibility. Okay, open that, scroll down, and here you find an option called control nearby devices. So basically, if you have multiple devices like your iPhone, and if it is logged in with your same Apple ID, then you can control those devices from your primary phone. Okay, so currently I don't have connected, but here you can choose them to connect and control them as well. So that was it about this setting or feature. And next we'll talk about iMessage. So basically there are some tweaks made to the features. So we all know that in iOS 16 we got an option to edit the message as well as unsend the message, right? So there are some tweaks made to these features. So first of all, we'll talk about edit history. So whenever we edit the message, now we can view that. So in edit history, it will show entire edition, what addition we made after we sent the message, right? So if you see here, if you tap on edited, you will see entire history of the messages changed and sent here. In the history, you can view entire changes made to the message after it sent. Okay, that was it. But regarding this, there is one tweak. That is, you can edit a message only up to 5 times and within 15 minutes. So for example, let's say you send a message now. So up to next 15 minutes, you can edit it, okay, and up to maximum 5 times. So within 15 minutes, you are allowed to edit it up to 5 times. So after 15 minutes, the editing option will go away. That is a tweak made here. And similarly, it is regarding your unsend option also. So now the timing is reduced to 2 minutes. So now whenever message you send, within 2 minutes you can unsend it. Otherwise, after 2 minutes, that option will not be available to you. So unsend is available only for 2 minutes, and you can edit the message only up to 15 minutes. After that, it is not allowed. So there are some tweaks made to the iMessage. Okay, that was it regarding iMessage. And now talking about the next some small feature, that is your notes flash screen. There are some new features you can see. Okay, new addition, and there is one new tweak regarding your select text. So whenever you select text, that time there are multiple options given to you, like bold, like translate, okay, lookup, etc. etc. Similarly, there is a new addition, that is your search web. So directly you can search that term or a particular sentence you marked, you can directly search on the web from the option as well. So there is no need to copy the text, paste in browser and then search. You can directly search from the select option as well. So guys, that's it about iOS 16 beta 4. I tried to cover main features which I came across while using it. So if anytime there are more features coming up, we'll surely make a video or follow-up video on this. So until then, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give a like and please subscribe for more videos on iPhone tips and tricks, iPhone solution and iPhone customization. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.